I will compare the new Sony Xperia 1 Mark 6 with Sony Xperia 10 Mark 4. Sony Xperia 1 Mark 6 comes with 6.5 inches LTP OLED display and success ratio 19:5:9. Sony Xperia 10 Mark 4 6 inches OLED display and success ratio 21:9. Sony Xperia 1 Mark 6 run on the Android 14 operating system. Sony Xperia 10 Mark 4 run on the Android 12 operating system. Sony Xperia 1 Mark 6 it comes with 12GB RAM and 512GB 1TB internal storage. Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 processor, 8GB Adreno 750. Sony Xperia 1 Mark 4 it comes with Sony Xperia 10 Mark 4 it comes with 6GB RAM and 128GB internal storage. Qualcomm Snapdragon 695 processor, 8GB Adreno 619. Sony Xperia 1 Mark 6 real set triple camera setup 48 MP plus 12 MP plus 12 MP front camera 12 MP. Sony Xperia 10 Mark 4 real set triple camera setup 12 MP plus 8 MP plus 8 MP front camera 8 MP. Sony Xperia 1 Mark 6 5000 mAh battery 30W fast charging support. Sony Xperia 10 Mark 4 5000 mAh battery 21W fast charging support.